farms in some states like Iowa, Minnesota, and North Carolina to see how the process of raising millions of pigs happens before they are sent to the pork processing plant. Currently, the United States has more than 63,000 pig farms of different sizes, and the number of pigs is about 72.2 million heads. Most large-scale pig farms are concentrated in states like Iowa, Minnesota, North Carolina, and Florida. This is the process of inseminating cows on a farm in Iowa. Insemination time for each sow will last from 15 to 20 minutes. Currently, Iowa is the state with the largest number of pigs in the country, with about 23.3 million pigs distributed on 5,400 farms. About 115 days after insemination, hundreds of sows at this farm have started breeding. Every year in the United States, 40.5 million piglets are born, and about 1.5% of them die shortly after birth. The piglets at this farm will be exclusively breastfed for 1 month before being fed other foods. In recent years, the United States has always ranked third in the list of regions with the largest number of pigs in the world. The first place is China with 449 million, followed by the European Union with 142 million. Currently, most pig farms in the United States use corn, soybeans, along with other kinds of growth feed as feed for pigs. According to the United States Department of Agriculture, in 2021, up to 97 million tons of corn and 38 million tons of soybeans are used to feed 72.2 million pigs. At 2 months of age, these piglets will be fed the same as adult pigs. When the piglets are 3 months old, they will be separated from their mother and the fattening process begins. In addition, a number of 3-month-old pigs will also be sold to restaurants in Iowa for meat, because many customers prefer to eat pork when it's at this stage of development. Currently, most pigs living on large-scale farms are locked up for their entire life. Free-range pig rearing only takes place on small-scale farms with a maximum of 500 pigs. Every week, the workers at this pig farm will put dry straw in the pigsty to reduce the moisture caused by the pig's feces and urine. Most of the pigs here are considered mature and eligible for meat when they reach 6 months of age and have an average weight of 250 pounds. This is the wastewater treatment area of a pig farm with more than 4,000 pigs in Iowa. Wastewater after treatment will be used to irrigate corn and soybean fields next to this farm. Before looking at the pork processing process, we will go to a free-range pig farm in Arkansas with about 430 pigs. Every day, these pigs will be free to roam in this forest and do whatever they want. These model pig farms do not appear much in the United States, and the pork produced on these farms is always out of stock. Next, we'll see how these workers transport thousands of pigs to the pork processing plant. The pigs that are eligible for the meat harvest will be loaded onto trucks. This is the first and last trip of their lives. Currently, there are 2,785 pig slaughter facilities in the United States. On average, 1,100 pigs are slaughtered every hour across the country. After being transported by truck to the pork processing plants, the pigs will be anaesthetized with carbon dioxide before moving on to the next stage. According to statistics, in 2021, pork production in the United States is 27.3 million pounds and contributes to $57 billion and to the GDP of the country. How do you feel about the pork processing going on in this video? Let us know what you think in the comments section of the video.